Hello, my elegant viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about transformation. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt like your outfits don't reflect who you are or who you want to become, this is for you. We're talking about how to go from frumpy to classy. And no, this isn't about throwing everything out or becoming someone you're not. This is a step-by-step guide to refining your style, rebuilding your confidence, and dressing in a way that truly honors the woman you are. This isn't about trends. It's not about perfection. It's about clarity, intention, and that feeling of putting on an outfit and knowing this feels right. Let's get started. Step 1. Get honest about your wardrobe without shame. Most style shifts begin with awareness. You may not consciously think, I look frumpy, but you might feel off, uninspired, or simply disconnected from your clothing. That's your cue to pause and check in. Instead of criticizing yourself, look at your current wardrobe with curiosity. Which pieces do you avoid wearing? Which outfits feel like you're hiding? And what do you reach for when you want to feel confident? Pull out 3 outfits you wore recently and ask yourself, did I feel like myself? Was I comfortable and polished? Did anything about it make me feel off? Start journaling a few of your answers. Write down what you liked, what you didn't, and how it made you feel. This step isn't about guilt, it's about clarity. Because when you can name what's not working, you're ready to start building what does. You might realize that the issue isn't the clothing itself, it's the way it fits, the way it's styled, or how dated it feels. Awareness is empowering. It allows you to start making small shifts, one decision at a time. Getting honest about your wardrobe also opens up space to reimagine how you want to feel every day, not just on special occasions. Take inventory not only of your clothing, but of your emotional reactions to it. Does it support your lifestyle? Does it reflect your evolution? Maybe what once felt like your favorite outfit now feels disconnected from the woman you are today. That realization is valuable. It's the first step toward building a wardrobe that's not just functional, but empowering. So give yourself grace and give yourself permission to grow. Step 2. Define what classy means to you. Classy isn't one fixed look. It's not pearls and pencil skirts for everyone. It's about refinement, subtlety, and polish. But how that looks depends on you. Take a moment to think about women whose style you admire. What do they wear? What do their clothes say about them? Maybe it's clean lines, soft neutrals, and understated accessories. Maybe it's tailored denim and crisp white shirts. Whatever it is, dark gathering inspiration, Pinterest boards, saved Instagram folders, even screenshots from old films, collect anything that speaks to the elegant version of you. You're not copying, you're clarifying. Once you understand what classy looks like to you, you'll find it easier to spot the pieces and outfits that match that energy. It becomes a filter, helping you choose better, faster, and with more confidence. And classy doesn't mean expensive, it means thought out. Clothes that serve you well, suit your lifestyle, and support how you want to feel in the world. This can be deeply personal. For some, it means minimalism and tone-on-tone dressing. For others, it might mean tailored blazers, structured bags, and loafers. The elegance lies in the cohesion, not in labels or price tags. Your version of classy may evolve over time too. You might start with a more classic, neutral-based style, and later feel drawn to rich jewel tones or softer silhouettes. The goal isn't to lock yourself into one aesthetic, but rather to let your style grow alongside your life. Remember, elegance is fluid, not fixed. Step 3. Clean out the clutter. Nothing holds your style back more than a closet full of meh. Clothes that don't fit, don't flatter, or don't reflect who you are now. Set aside a few hours, yes, hours, and go through everything. Try things on. Be honest. If it doesn't make you feel strong, confident, or beautiful, it goes. This doesn't mean you need a tiny capsule wardrobe, but it does mean that every piece should earn its place. Even your most casual pieces, joggers, tees, weekend knits, should feel intentional. Make 3 piles: keep, tailor, and donate. Tailoring can be a game changer. Sometimes, a good hem or a nipped waist is all it takes to make something feel polished. This step clears the visual and mental clutter. Suddenly, your wardrobe feels lighter and more aligned. A useful habit? Keep a box or tote in your closet labeled "to donate." Each time you wear something and realize it no longer works, drop it in. Curating becomes continuous rather than overwhelming. Use this opportunity to organize what's left. Group items by category, color, or occasion. This visual clarity helps you quickly build outfits and identify what you actually wear. You might even rediscover forgotten favorites that, with the right styling, feel brand new. Step 4. Start rebuilding with 5 to 10 core pieces. Now the fun begins. With space cleared, you can start to rebuild. Focus on 5 to 10 foundational pieces that fit your definition of classy and your real lifestyle. Some suggestions: a high-quality neutral blazer, dark denim that actually fits, a crisp white shirt, a fluid midi dress, structured flats or loafers, a versatile handbag, and a great-fitting coat. Prioritize quality, not quantity. These are your anchor pieces, the things that make even the simplest outfit feel elevated. Choose colors from your palette, fabrics that feel good, and fits that flatter without fuss. Don't rush. It's better to have fewer great pieces than a full rack of maybes. Each item should work in multiple outfits. That neutral blazer? Wear it with jeans and a tee or over a satin slip dress. The structured flats? With cropped trousers and a knit, or with your Sunday dress. Build flexibility into the foundation. Rebuilding isn't about perfection. It's about aligning your wardrobe with your future self and investing in pieces that support that vision. Add one piece at a time and take the time to really style it different ways. Try new pairings, take mirror selfies, see how it photographs. Learning what works for you in real time will help you build a truly wearable wardrobe. Step 5. Add intentional polish. Once your basics are in place, it's time for finesse. This is where accessories, grooming, and styling elevate your whole look. A silk scarf, a clean bun, a delicate earring, a spritz of signature fragrance. These details whisper elegance, and they add up. Also think about posture, presence, and energy. Classy isn't just worn, it's carried. Stand tall, make eye contact, move with calm. Getting dressed becomes less about fixing and more about expressing. It's your outside catching up with your inside. Intentional polish also means honoring care, keeping your clothing wrinkle-free, shoes clean, nails tidy. These are small habits, but they speak volumes. Classy women don't just dress differently, they carry themselves with poise. The good news? That poise is a habit, not a trait. And polish doesn't mean perfection. It's about intentional effort, taking 5 extra minutes to tuck in your shirt, smooth your hair, or steam your blouse. These habits compound over time and become part of how you show up. Final thoughts. Going from frumpy to classy isn't a makeover. It's a mindset shift. It's choosing to honor yourself with what you wear, how you carry yourself, and how you show up in the world. These 5 steps give you the structure. The real transformation, that comes from you. Start small, switch the hoodie for a soft knit, swap the oversized bag for a structured tote, trade the cluttered closet for a curated one. Each step is progress. Let me know in the comments, what's one piece or habit you're ready to let go of? And what's one thing you'll add? If this video inspired you, make sure to like and subscribe. I share weekly guides to help you build an intentional, elegant wardrobe that fits your life and your values. Until next time, dress with purpose and wear who you are becoming.